Hello, Taliesin gang. Have you ever wanted to send a message to a coworker, but you didn't want them to receive it instantly? In less than 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to schedule, reschedule, and delete a scheduled message in Microsoft Teams. So let's add 2 minutes to the clock and let's get to it. So let's say here you just wanted to type a message to one of your coworkers that they forgot an invoice and they needed to be resent. We'll just type this out here. And instead of a left click, right click here on the send button, right click, and you'll see the date and time pop up right here. So you can select the date, and it can be any date here. I'll just select May 31st. And then next, we're going to select the time. As you can see, if we scroll down, we can pick any time within 30-minute increments. So I'll select 1:30, and I'll click continue here to schedule the message to go out. FYI, scheduling a message also works in the iPhone and Android Teams app. Just press and hold the send button to schedule your message like so. And now that you have the scheduling complete, you can left click on the send and you'll see here that it's going to be sent on this date and time. Now, if you wanted to delete a scheduling message, you'll have to do the following. Now, let's say if you were typing a message and you were scheduling for it to go out, you did a message here, you hit continue, you thought everything looked good, and then you noticed, oh no, I have a sad face. What do? I didn't want you to have a sad weekend. You can right click in this area on the 3 ellipses or right click on the message and you can select delete. There we go. And that has been wiped. And then we can type the message again with our happy face, our happy emoji. We can schedule it just like that. But if you wanted to reschedule it for a different date and time, you can left click on this highlighted area. You can change the date or the time here before you hit send. As you can see, we can change any kind of date and time, click continue, and then click left click to send. And right under 2 minutes, great job. And that's your Microsoft Teams tip for today. Thanks for watching.